the ultimate guide to passive income with AI. Tools in 2026, a real-world perspective. The dream of making money while you sleep is no longer just a late-night infomercial cliche. In 2026, it has become a tangible reality thanks to the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. But here is the truth that most gurus won't tell you. AI isn't a magic money button. It's a sophisticated co-pilot. To build a sustainable passive income stream, you need the right tools and, more importantly, a solid strategy. In this guide, I'm going to break down the most effective, human-verified ways to leverage AI for passive income this year. No fluff, just actionable steps. Why 2026 is the year of AI-driven wealth. We've officially moved past the hype phase. The tools we have today, from advanced language models to hyper-realistic video generators, are more intuitive and accessible than ever for digital publishers and creators. This means we can now automate tasks that used to require a full-time team. 1. Automated niche blogs, the quality-first approach. Blogging remains one of the most reliable forms of passive income. However, the old way of mass-producing low-quality AI articles is dead. Google's algorithms are smarter now. They crave human-like insight and unique perspective. The human AI strategy. Don't just ask an AI to write a blog post. Instead, use it for trend analysis. Identify gaps in current search results that others are missing. Outline and research. Let the AI gather the raw data. Then you provide the voice and personal experience that a machine can't replicate. SEO optimization. Use tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to ensure your content hits the technical note search engines love. Monetization tip. Once you hit 50 to 100 high-quality, human-edited posts, apply for premium ad networks like Mediavine or Raptive for significantly higher returns than standard AdSense. 2. Faceless YouTube channels. The visual revolution. Video content consumption is at an all-time high, especially across the US and Europe. You can now run a high-revenue YouTube channel without ever showing your face or picking up a camera. How to do it effectively. Scripting. Use AI to draft engaging, storytelling-driven scripts. Voiceover. Leverage high-fidelity tools like 11 Labs. Their 2026 models are virtually indistinguishable from human narrators. Visuals. Use AI video generators to create cinematic, B-roll, or animations that keep viewers hooked. The human touch. The secret to a viral faceless channel isn't the tech, it's the story. Ensure your scripts have an emotional hook and a clear message. 3. Creating and selling digital templates. People are busier than ever and are willing to pay for anything that saves them time. This is where AI-curated digital products come in. Top-selling products in 2026. Prompt bundles. Specialized. Tested prompts for Mid-Journey or ChatGPT tailored for specific industries, e.g., real estate or legal marketing. AI-enhanced Notion templates. Productivity systems that come with pre-configured AI workflows built in. Digital assets and textures. High-end visual assets created with AI but curated and polished by you. Where to sell. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Whop are perfect for this. Once the product is listed, the income becomes truly passive. 4. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is built on trust. AI helps you scale that trust by providing personalized, data-driven recommendations to your audience. The strategy: build a comparison hub or a review site focusing on AI software. Use AI to help synthesize feature lists, pricing models, and pros, cons. When a reader signs up through your link for a tool, like a VPN or an AI assistant, you earn a commission. Pro tip: focus on recurring commission products. This ensures you get paid every month for as long as the user stays subscribed. Common pitfalls to avoid. The reality check. Before you dive in, remember these 3 rules to keep your human status in the eyes of search engines. Never copy-paste. Always edit AI-generated text. Add your own opinions, formatting styles. Fact-check everything. AI can hallucinate facts. Always double-check your data, especially for financial or technical topics. Value over volume. One great article that actually helps a human reader is worth more than 100 robotic-sounding posts. Final thoughts for AI-piloted readers. The landscape of digital wealth is shifting. Those who win in 2026 will be the ones who use AI as a tool to enhance their human creativity, not replace it. Start small, pick one niche, and focus on providing real value. What's your first step? Are you going to start a blog, or is YouTube more your style? Let me know in the comments below.